The April tax deadline may seem far off, but I spoke with a tax expert who says don't procrastinate. She told me the 5 key points to remember so you don't waste your money. As we near the end of January, tax season will be here before we know it. Are you ready?
As soon as I get my W-2 from Mesa, I'll be ready to go.
I usually file online. Probably on paper this year, though.
We just do it ourselves at home online.
Probably earlier, sooner the better, once I get my W-2s.
That's the spirit. Now for some guidance.
Take advantage of the e-file. It's the way to go.
I reached out to Patty Hudson, president and managing principal at Jenkins & Company Certified Public Accountants. She outlined 5 points to remember at tax time. 1, e-file early. Hudson says the sooner you electronically file, the better. An Internal Revenue agent recently told her why.
As of December 25th, there are 6.9 million tax returns still to be looked at sitting at the IRS.
Why have so many of them not been returned yet?
Well, the big part of the problem is for a very long time, the IRS was shut down.
Due to the pandemic, of course, so don't wait. 2, note any unemployment you received.
A lot of the people starting in March, they were receiving the maximum $362 a week, plus the federal subsidy of $600 a week. If they got that for 26 weeks, Alicia, it was $25,000.
And yes, it is all taxable income. Hudson says you'll need a Form 1099-G. You can wait for it in the mail or log into your MyWham account and then go under the I Want To tab for the link to print out the form. 3, make sure to report economic stimulus payments. You need to know how much you received, if anything. Some people have even received 2 rounds. 4, keep track of your charitable contributions. Under the CARES Act, taxpayers who don't itemize deductions may take a charitable deduction of up to $300 for cash donations made in 2020 to qualifying organizations. And 5, some tax credits can use your 2019 income, specifically the earned income credits and the child tax credits, because they are based on earned income. So if you received unemployment in 2020, you may want to ask your preparer to look back to 2019 for your income or just check your tax files for it. Bottom line, Patty Hudson cannot stress enough the importance of electronically filing as soon as you can. Now, she did say if you are a victim of identity theft, that does require a paper filing. Some amendments also require a paper filing, so consult with a tax professional if you have any concerns or questions.
Yeah, you know, tax time is never a joy, but it's something we have to do. So thank you, Alicia, for the advice on tax time.
No problem.
I'll think about taxes on Monday, not
right?
Friday.